The best stroller boards. If you've got two tiny tots around the same age, it may not be easy to convince them about who gets to spend time in the single-seat stroller. The best stroller boards will help keep both children happy and ensure that nobody feels left out. There are a wide variety of styles available online, so here is our list of the most useful stroller boards one can get their hands on. Also, learn what factors you should consider when looking for them. Number 1. Best Maneuverability. Lascal BuggyBoard Maxi. Are you looking for a buggy board that can be attached to just any stroller? Then this universal stroller board could be the one for you. What we like. It works with most strollers. The manufacturer claims that it works with 99% of strollers available in the market. You do not need specific tools to fit the board into the stroller. The board is designed to absorb bumps when going over uneven surfaces. The large wheels enable easy maneuverability. The board is also designed with enough clearance space to provide sufficient room for the movement of the parents' feet. What we don't like. Some parents found it hard to attach the board to some strollers. Number 2. Best Modern Design. Uppababy Vista Piggyback Ride-Along Board. If you are looking for a stroller board with a modern design, then you should certainly consider this stroller board from Uppababy. What we like. The sleek product is made of wood and plastic, which gives it a stylish, urban look. A quick snap feature allows you to attach and detach the board quickly. You can fold and stow away the stroller with the board attached to it. The board can support a maximum of 55 pounds, which is a comfortable weight limit for toddlers. What we don't like. The wheels are small, which can make it hard to push the stroller on surfaces like grass and loose gravel. Some users did not find the product well designed and were unimpressed by its durability. Number 3. Best Saddle Style Seat. Bugaboo Stroller Board. It is an ideal ride-on board for parents with toddlers who often prefer sitting to standing. What we like. There is a single, saddle-style seat that you can detach when not in use. The board, even with the seat, is light in weight, so you don't have to worry about adding considerable weight to the stroller. The one-wheel setup leaves enough space for the feet of the parent pushing the stroller. What we don't like. A single wheel may not be as stable as two wheels, especially on uneven surfaces, and while taking turns, you will have to buy an adapter separately to attach the board to a different brand of stroller you have. Number 4. Best with Highest Stability. Englacha Cozy 4-Wheel Rider. Englacha's stroller board provides excellent stability along with comfort for the child. What we like. The board has a single, comfortable toddler seat with a 5-point harness for safety. It comes with a large handlebar at the front, which the toddler can hold to stay put. The 4 wheels ensure a stable ride even over undulating surfaces. What we don't like. There is not much place for the toddler to stand when you remove the seat. Also, the child will have to hold the handlebars of the stroller for support. Number 5. Best Durable. Bumbleride Mini Stroller Board. It is specially made for parents who prefer a compact stroller board that takes up little space. What we like. An easy-to-install, clamp-based attachment makes it easier to fix the board to the stroller. The standing surface has an anti-skid design to make the ride secure for the child. The board can hold a maximum weight of 44 pounds. Which is quite impressive considering its compact size. What we don't like. It is compatible with some strollers from Bumbleride and some strollers from a few other brands. The board does not fold away when not needed, which means you will have to remove it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.